Hello friends, my name is Suraj and this video is about the 12th video of the JavaScript series. Now in this video I'm going to show you that what are loops in JavaScript. So let's start the video. Now guys, you might have been already gone through this switch case. That was my last video about JavaScript. So now start looping. First delete all this and let's write where a is equal to div into tech has got zero sorry 0 followers. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to print the statement 5 times. So let's create a statement. Now guys, there are three kinds of loop. First one is for loop, second is while loop, third is do while loop. Okay, now we are going to deal with for loops. So for where I is equal to 0, I is less than, this is 0, I is less than 5 and I plus plus. Now guys, what we're doing is we are going to print this a 5 times. How you can see that? Document dot write a. Okay, now what we're doing is we are printing this document, that is, sorry, we are printing the statement that is a 5 times. Tab into tag has got 0 followers. This will be printed a total of 5 times. Now why have I used where here? I can use I only, I can use let also. Now in order to know why, what is the difference between where and let, you have to go to my video. I've uploaded a video telling about what is the major difference between where and let statement. I'll give the link down in the description, you can check that. So guys, now let's print and check what is the value. So you can see that Dab into Tech has got 0 followers. It's been printed a total of 5 times. Let me show you in lines so that it will be more proper. Okay. So you can see that it has been total printed 5 times, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So this is how you can work with for loop in JavaScript. Now let me tell you what is while loop. Okay, I'll just remove this for thing and I'll write here while b is not equal to 0, no, sorry, 5. Okay, and here I'll add b plus plus. Let's see what's the error there. Okay, it is because we haven't defined a default variable for b. So let's define it here, where b is equal to 0. Now it will let's make it 10. So you can see that this tab into tag has got 0 followers. This has printed a total of 10 times. So this is how you can work with while there's a default variable assigned, then there is a condition that is while b is not equal to 10 or the value here, and inside I have incremented value. So this is what we call as while loop. Now let's go for do while loop, which is the last one. So let's do work with do while loop. Do document dot write a, let me add the break statement, while b is not equal to 0, b plus plus, sorry, let's make it 10. So now let's run and check. So you can see that it is printing 10 times. Let me see why there is no break statement. Okay, let me remove this. So you can see that it is working and it is printing tab input tag has got 0 followers. Let me just change and make it to 20 so that it makes a difference between while and do while. So you can see that this has been printing total 20 times. Now guys, you might be thinking that what is the difference between do and while? So you know what? There is a special condition between them. While loop does not execute even single when the condition is not fulfilled. But in the case of do while loop, the loop executes at least once. This one here will execute at least once unless and until the condition is met. So if I just make it to while b is equal to, sorry, let's make it while b is less than 0. Now I don't think that the condition might be fulfilled because initially the variable of b is 0, and while when it is incrementing it will change to 1. So definitely b is not less than 0. So let's run and check. So guys, this is what I was telling, that this loop has printed at least once. So according to the for and while statement, this loop might not have been executed and haven't printed anything. But when we using do while loop, it has to print once. So guys, this is what we call looping in JavaScript, and I'll be uploading some next videos in some few days. So stay updated and thank you guys.